It's been a long day
Beautiful reunion.
without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Unexpected reunion.
We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I tell
The only thing to do is cry on this app.
when I see you again, when I see you again.
Pleasant shock party. Surprises make long distance so much better.
Yeah. First to both go out your way in the
Why the tears? Is there anyone chopping onion here?
A friendship turned to a bond, and that one will never be broken. The love will never get lost.
Always makes cry for happy
And
tears.
when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established a donor